Hello, what is good? What I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about is the Pyrex storage. Simply store 4-cup round storage dish with red lid, and you can see the 4-cup right there. This is what the lid looks like, and it's red. It's one of my favorite colors. And this is what the dish looks like. It's a good size. So the reason why I bought this in the first place, I needed something to put a different variety of fruits in instead of eating out of a package. Like with me, I know as soon as I buy fruit, I want to take it out of the package, wash it, put it in the drainer. And I like to mix fruit, like with strawberries, berries, blackberries, just a different variety of fruits. And instead of eating them out of a package, after you wash them, stuff like that. Yeah, I used to do that. Take one by one out of, well, not necessarily one by one, but grab a handful of fruit and wash them, and eat them. But I was like, this is not going to work. I need something. I need something that was going to be easier for me, an easy access. So this definitely has helped me out a lot. And it's a pretty good size. The only thing is that you just have to be careful where you place it and how you handle it. Just handle it with care and be careful what you're doing with it and stuff like that, because this is glass. So let me try to. Okay, there we go. So some information about this glassware. The glassware is dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave, and preheated oven safe. I have not used it for any other things besides popping it in the refrigerator. But since it said that, if you have a hot dish, leftover, you don't feel like dirtying up and having multiple dirty dishes, which I think is totally cool and totally awesome and will totally save some time. Just have one dish right there that you can use if you take your leftovers to anywhere that you need to go. So that's definitely beneficial. Also, with the preheated oven, I ain't never tried it either, but hey, it's the same thing as far as what I just said with the microwave. It's something that can eliminate from having multiple dirty dishes in your kitchen. So that's pretty good. Well, excellent, rather. Says it doesn't store food odors, flavors, or stains. Sometimes blackberries or blueberries will not stain, or strawberries. I'll give it say strawberries. Strawberries. But with this glassware, it didn't stain at all. It was easy to wash out. Everything fresh, looked good. My fruit even felt fresh, or fresher rather than in the package. So yeah, I'm in love with this glassware, as you can tell. It is BPA. Let me say that again if I didn't say clear. BPA free plastic lid, so you don't have to worry about chemicals that may be in the lid. There is some today, and that's amazing, so you really don't have any problems to deal with as far as the lid is concerned. And it's refrigerator, freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. So not just the glassware, but you got some things that you can do with this lid as well when it comes to washing or placing it, if you have leftovers, or for instance, for me, when I just said about fruit. So that is a good thing. And also 2-year limited warranty on this Pyrex glass and plastic lids. Let me say that again. 2-year limited warranty on Pyrex glass and plastic lids. So you can't go wrong. There's a warranty on these, so they making sure that you get the best out of their products, which is amazing. Okay, so some of the things that you should not do when you have this. Okay, don't add liquid to hot glassware. Don't. Guessing something bad is so you just don't want to do that. Okay. What else that you don't need to do? Don't use it or under a flame or other direct heat source, including lighting a stove top, a boiler, grill, a toaster oven. I'm pretty sure that, talk about tragedy. Okay, don't do that. Also, I'm not gonna talk about everything. If you want to, you can go on the website and just have a list of the things that you shouldn't do, and you will be best if you don't do when you buy this. Don't use this glassware to microwave popcorn or foods wrapped in heat concentrated materials such as browning papers and overheat oil and butter and stuff like that. So yeah, even though I said microwave safe with things like that, and like I said before just now, they got a long list of things on their website of how to properly care for this glassware and things of not to do, so your glassware will last and it'll be in the best excellent condition to its potential best. So okay, so again, this is the Pyrex storage 4-cup dishware, glass, all that good stuff. So yes, and it's 4-cup. I know they have different variety of sizes, but I just wanted to try out the 4-cup, and I'm thinking about getting a bigger size, so I can have more fruit in here.